Guys, today Coach Q and I are going to show you two low-key, inconspicuous credit unions that will give you fun. And guys, if these videos are adding any value to you, please comment value in the comments, like, share, and subscribe so that this video can travel as far as it's meant to go.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and this is my lovely co-host, Miss Tina Talks Credit. Welcome back to the channel, Miss Tina. Guys, like I said in the intro, we're going to talk about the secret two credit unions that's giving away the bag that's not Navy Federal. Everyone wants to talk about Navy Federal, but it's these two credit unions that goes under the radar and is giving away the bag as well. And you could possibly have bad credit and get the bag as well. So if you have bad credit, you're looking for some cash, guys, this is the perfect video for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video because it allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience. So let's dive straight in. I'm going to bring Miss Tina screen up, and she's going to go over one credit union, and I will go over the second one for you guys. All right, let's get started.
Okay, guys, so we did a deep dive on the internet, literally like hours of research, and I'm not even stretching the truth on that one. So we found First Tech Federal Credit Union, guys. Now, they actually partner with a bunch of like different employers like Pfizer, Geico, just a lot of, so if you work at certain places, you can get like special offers and things like that from them as well. But that's neither here nor there. But you also can join via nonprofit donation. So you go to their website, it could be like a $5 donation that you make to any random, not random, but the nonprofit organizations that they present to you. $5, you're in. So really easy to join. Yeah, I know, right? So really easy to join. Now you can get loans as low as $500 from this credit union. So don't think that you have to go out here if you're just trying to like get in so you can build credit and you don't want to get like a giant loan that's going to take you forever to pay off. This is a great place to start for credit builders. Also, if you need, like Q says, the bag, you can go in there and get that too, especially if your credit and income is strong enough. But if you're starting, you're building or rebuilding, and you want a small $500 loan, $6,000, $7,000, whatever, this is great for you. Now it accepts mid to low 600 scores. So if you're at a 600 or 602 or 615, this is a sweet spot for you. This is a good place for you to go in, become a quick member, and go ahead and start building up your credit portfolio. Now it has flexible terms, quick online approval, guys. You'll know basically if you are approved within a few minutes. Literally, it tells you like right on the screen. And so guys, check this place out. Well, not place, check this credit union out. It is a nationwide credit union. You get approved everything online. It's a good one. It's a small one, but it's a good one. And they have really low interest rates, guys. And if you pay it off early, you get an even lower rate. So
wow.
Check it out.
Awesome. So guys, last but not least, like I said, I'm going to talk about the next credit union. This next credit union tailored to bad credit as well. And it, in my opinion, one of my favorite credit unions outside of Navy Federal and Penn Fed. And this credit union is called Alliant Credit Union, guys. So Alliant have personal loans. They have loans up to $1,000 all the way up to $100,000. And there is no collateral needed. They have loan consolidation. You can use the loan for loan consolidation, home expenses, and emergencies. The terms is between 1 to 5 years. A lot of people like to stretch out their loan amounts so they can lower their monthly payments. Loan approval, the APR, is based on the payment method, credit worthiness, and ability to repay. Typically same day deposit into your account, or will mail a check if you prefer. No payment penalties, pay early, and save on interest. So you have a loan calculator right here. You can actually put in, what you're looking to get, the terms of how long you're looking to pay, and it will give you a spit out of the estimated time and loan amount that you will get qualified for. Need money fast, no hassle, personal loans, quick approval decisions, and often provide funds in the same day you apply. Terms and amounts. Personal loans amounts are available from $1,000 to $100,000. Like I said, available terms include 1 year, 2 year, 4 year, and 5 years, and it won't penalize you if you pay the loan off early. How to lose a personal loan. A personal loan can help you consolidate other loans, pay off emergency expenses, and fund a home improvement project. So guys, this is a really good one as well. well. Now they do have other versions of funding. They do have auto loans, car payment, car buying service, RV loans, Tesla loans, mortgages, home equity lines of credit. Align is a one-stop shop for funding. Once you have a good relationship and start a good relationship with these institutions, the floodgates are open to you guys. So you have ample opportunity to not only start off with a small $1,000 loan, pay it back, build a relationship, get a $5,000 loan, build a relationship, and go all the way up to $100,000 or actually a mortgage loan. So guys, these credit unions are so good because they are relationship institutions, and the better you build a relationship with these credit unions, the better opportunity you have for a vast more amounts of loans. Banks don't typically do that. Banks typically, you could be with a bank for 15 years, put over $1 million in them, and if you don't meet the criteria of by the book of what they feel like you should be qualified for, they would not get loans. But what I love about credit unions, like I said, they give you an opportunity for upper mobility, and they do that with the relationship that you build by your repayment over time. So this is a really good one as well, guys. Like I said, these are secret two credit unions they're giving out the bag. Did you have anything else to say, Miss Tina?
Yes, guys. And so these credit unions are smaller and they tend to be more welcoming to you, even like with your lower credit scores. So like definitely do not like sleep on them. These credit unions, like we're going to do an even deeper dive, right, Q, where we kind of go in and pull, like we want to just give y'all all the info that we can on these smaller credit unions because there's so much money out there that you guys can go ahead and qualify for. And coming soon, guys, what was it this month? No, August, because this month is almost gone. I almost spoke too fast. But yeah, we're going to be doing a deep dive in the next upcoming week, and we're going to pull just about every credit union that we can find out there, the smaller ones, that's going to give you the money with low credit scores, right? So you can start getting the money. Even like we're going to go in for the credit unions that are offering the best credit cards for low credit scores, things like that, everything unsecured. So guys, having bad credit is not permanent, but doing nothing about it is permanent, okay? So we're going to get you the money. We're going to show you the way. We're going to lead that horse right onto water, okay?
Yeah. So I do want to say this. So the reason why we are tailoring to a lower credit unions that's nationwide is because once you start a relationship with any institutions, the bigger institutions are a little bit more favorable for approving you because you have already shown a track record with their little brothers, which is the smaller institutions. So guys, leave a comment if you liked it. If you found any of this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, it allows you to push this content to as many people as possible. If you found any of this information helpful, guys, leave a comment. Let us know how you feel. If you have anything on the video, if you want us to spit out more credit unions and give you guys opportunities to be welcome, whether you have bad credit, middle credit, fair credit, good credit, great credit, leave a comment in the comment section and let us know if you want more content like this. So leave a comment, credit unions, and we will know. If we get over 30 comments stating credit unions, we will spit out more content and make this a more frequent thing. So yeah, guys, if you have any credit issue, collections, charge off, late payments, increased medical bills, anything on your credit that's dragging your score down and stopping you from going to the big boys to get the big boy funding, guys, go to mycreditapproved.com. It's the software that I created. It is one of the most affordable, fastest, and the easiest way to remove everything off your credit. If you don't have time to do it yourself, to use the software, go to Tina Talks Credit on YouTube, follow her prompts, and actually go to her website, set up a consultation, or sign up with her services with her staff, and they will get everything taken care of for you as well. She is the best credit specialist in the country, and I'm the second best. All right, so if you have any questions, like I said, send out a comment section. And did you have anything else before we get out of here, Miss Tina?
Well, I have this new thing that I'm doing. It's called Quick Questions with Tina, because I miss a lot of questions sometimes that are like in the comment, or I might get to them like a day later or 2 days later, and I don't like that. So like, guys, if you go to my website or just click on the link, it's in our description of our videos. You can sign up for Quick Questions with Tina. I'll give you a 15 minutes and answer any questions that you have, guys. So I just wanted to throw that in there. That's there for you.
For sure. Awesome. All right, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like I said, 2 seconds for the like and subscribe button. All right, guys. Until next time, take care of your credit. Take care of yourself. Credit Coach, you up.